Can we see TikTok private account videos? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to discuss if we can see TikTok private accounts video, and if not, how can we do that? So let's get started. So the first step is make sure that you have the TikTok app up to date. For that, head over to the App Store, search for TikTok, and after you search for TikTok, just update the app. And after you update the app, you can open it up. After you open up the TikTok app, you might want to head over to the search bar to find the private account where you actually want to see the video of. So head over to that account, and after you're on that account, you should be able to see that the account is private. After you notice that the account is private, you might want to check out its video. Now, if you're on your TikTok and the account is private, you cannot actually see the video. So yeah, that's the basic answer. You can't actually see the video. There are third-party apps and websites which actually promise you that they will be able to just show you the videos, and they will ask you for your username and ID, but that's not really possible. I do not recommend you guys doing that because your information might get stolen. So the only way you can actually see the private videos is by simply following the account. So yeah, just follow the account and then you should be able to see that private video. I mean the private accounts video. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.